Nearly all web hosting services claim to be able to effectively host your website, but which one will actually be the best for you and your website? Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 web hosting services on the market this year. We'll be taking a look at different types of hosting services within different price ranges, so whether you're looking for the best option to host a WordPress website or something to host on a budget, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which web hosting service will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 1 on our list is Bluehost. If you have a WordPress site, you will find that Bluehost makes everything very easy. If you sign up for a 1-year plan with this host, you will instantly get a free domain. There are also numerous dedicated web hosting plans you can choose from, and a few great options for those who need to handle a lot of web traffic on a regular basis. The WordPress hosting is ideal for those who want to create a WordPress site. Bluehost offers numerous tools that can be useful for building websites. These tools will allow you to manage your email, filter spam, and manage each of your domains. The customer support that Bluehost offers is also incredible. There is a live chat feature that will allow you to speak with an agent whenever you want. You can also feel free to send an email or call the 24/7 support number. These agents tend to be very helpful, and you shouldn't have to wait very long to speak with someone. The shared web hosting plans that Bluehost offers can be a good option for the budget conscious, but there are some drawbacks. Your site will be on a server with other people's websites, which can cause problems. There is also VPS hosting, which can provide you with up to 120 GB of SSD storage and 8 GB of memory. Bluehost is actually the recommended service host from WordPress themselves. So if you want to host a website using WordPress, this may be a great place to start. They have an impeccable uptime record and offer a variety of security options. Even the customer support is very impressive. This is a perfect hosting choice for bloggers to online business owners. Number 2 on our list is SiteGround. SiteGround is one of the fastest growing web hosting solutions on the market, and it's definitely worth taking a closer look at. This web host has data centers in a number of places all over the world, including Amsterdam, Singapore, London, and Chicago. One of the great things about SiteGround is that they perform daily backups, so you won't have to worry about losing all of your data. They use cPanel, which has become standard for modern web hosting companies. The interface of this control panel is very simple and straightforward. You can do just about anything with the click of a button. The customer support that SiteGround offers will allow you to contact an agent over the phone or via the live chat feature. You can also choose to send an email with whatever question or issue you have, and you should get a response within just minutes. The cloud hosting plans this host has will allow you to access your data wherever you are in the world. It is very convenient and a popular choice for many people these days. There are numerous plans that you should take the time to look through. You will also have access to 18 different e-commerce applications that will make installation and setup very easy. You get full PCI and CDN compliance, as well as advanced caching and numerous server locations. If you have or want to start your own online business, this web host is a great choice. All in all, SiteGround is a great overall modern web hosting solution that caters to the needs of just about everyone. It offers amazing customer support and is a wise choice for those who want to get a WordPress or e-commerce site. They are highly dependable with a phenomenal uptime record. Number 3 on our list is Flywheel. Some of the main features that Flywheel offers include staging sites, nightly backups, and collaboration tools. These features can help you with establishing your website to make it as successful as possible. This host's infrastructure is constantly being maintained and improved to provide their users with the most reliable hosting services. This host's built-in caching system will help you maintain fast load times for your website. It can improve server performance and minimize download times. As a result, your website will run as quickly and efficiently as possible. If you want to keep people coming back to your site, it is crucial that you provide them with a smooth user experience. You will be able to manage all of your WordPress sites through the dashboard. It has a user-friendly interface that will let you upload files, make changes to your sites, and manage admin privileges at any time. You can get help from Flywheel's customer support team 24/7. They have a phone number that you can call at any time of the day or night. There is also email support, and the agents are pretty good about replying fairly quickly. This is one of the few web hosts with top-quality customer support. Whether you already have a high-traffic website or you need to build a new site, Flywheel has a wide range of effective hosting solutions. They have a great uptime record and offer lots of useful features to help make your website really take off. Even freelancers will find that this web host is a good option. You will easily be able to make and develop a website for your clients and potential clients to visit. This host also has a very simple and helpful proprietary dashboard that lets you manage your sites with ease. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4 on our list is DreamHost. DreamHost's Remixer allows you to create a website without having to go through any confusing steps. It has a drag-and-drop interface that is incredibly simple and easy to use. There are about a dozen different themes that you can look through. There are also more than 70 content layouts to choose from, so you should be able to find at least one that you like. The one-click installation that the DreamHost system offers is just amazing. It will provide you with 18 different apps, which isn't bad at all. Some of these apps include GetSimple, WordPress, MediaWiki, Open Web Analytics, Zencart, and Web Calendar. You should take the time to look into each of these apps, as they can make building and maintaining your sites a lot easier. The customer support that DreamHost offers is superb. There is an online chat feature that will let you speak with an agent whenever you want. It has a very clean and simple interface that shouldn't give you any problems. There is also a ticket-based support option that you can use. Agents are usually pretty good about responding to inquiries in a timely manner. Overall, DreamHost is a very smart choice when it comes to web hosting services. They have a wonderful reputation and even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you happen to have numerous domains, this is an especially good option to consider. You will get top-notch customer support, and there are plenty of different plans to choose from. Number 5 on our list is HostGator. Launched in 2002, HostGator has established itself as an extremely reputable web hosting service with millions of customers all over the world. It promises 99.99% uptime, which is literally the best there is. You also get a 45-day money-back guarantee when you pay for any of their plans, which isn't bad at all. There is monthly and annual billing periods to choose from. Those who are transferring their site from another host to this one don't have to pay a fee. There are numerous website builder options with this host, including HostGator's own proprietary builder. It has a drag-and-drop interface that will quickly and easily let you build your site with contact forms, slideshows, and even links to your social media accounts. You also have the option of using WordPress, Joomla, Mambo, Drupal, Tiki, and other CMS platforms. WordPress hosting plans from HostGator can give you unlimited storage and 300K visitors per site, but only if you are willing to pay for the highest level option. This is a great option for those who have a WordPress site or want to create one. This web host's 24/7 telephone support and live chat features make it very easy to get the help you need, any time of the day or night. You hardly ever need to wait longer than 2 or 3 minutes to speak with an agent. There is also email support, which will provide you with a surprisingly fast response. One of the best things about this web host is that every aspect of it is completely user-friendly. You won't have to worry about having trouble doing anything. Even those who have never paid for these services before shouldn't have any issues. There are many web hosting solutions available, but HostGator is a good choice for most people. It has one of the most impressive uptime records of any hosting company, and they offer a variety of plans to match everyone's needs. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.